Say that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you how to do these barbecued baby back ribs in the air fryer. Alrighty, I have a rub that I put together. I'll go through real quick on what I added here. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1.5 tablespoons each of salt, ground black pepper, paprika, and I added 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and a little bit of cayenne pepper. I have 1 rack of baby back pork ribs. I'm going to go ahead and just leave the membrane on. You can take it off if you want to. I was going to cut these up so they'll fit in the air fryer, but I'm going to try something a little different here, and we'll get into that real quick. I'm just going to go ahead and add our rub to both sides. Okay, this is what I was going to do. Instead of cutting the ribs up, I was going to put it in like this, but now I'm going back to I want to cut them up because I am going to put barbecue sauce on these later. If I wasn't going to put barbecue sauce on, I would probably do it that way, but so I'm just going to go ahead and cut these into pieces. Okay, I have these all cut up. I'm going to put them into the air fryer basket. I'm just going to go ahead, since I have no room, is to stick it right there. I think we'll be okay. We're ready to pop these into the air fryer. Okay, this is my first time of doing ribs in the air fryer. I'm just going to go ahead, put it on 400 for 30 minutes. Halfway through, I'm going to check them and see how they're doing. We are 15 minutes in. Let's just go ahead and take a peek. They sure smell good. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to let these go for 10 more minutes and check them and see if they're done. And then at that time, I will put my barbecue sauce on the last 5 minutes. So we'll go ahead and check them in another 10 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and slather these in barbecue sauce. I will be right back. Okay, I have my ribs all slathered with my barbecue sauce. I'm going to put these back in on 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Okay, I already cheated and ate one of these. They're absolutely delicious. They are not fall off the bone tender, but they are tender. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, I shouldn't be, but I am surprised at how well these turned out in the air fryer. I usually do my ribs in the crock pot. I'm not much of a barbecue person. I'll leave that up to the other guys and gals here on YouTube. Okay, I'm going to get off here, get this edited and up today because I have not been able to get a video made. It's been a crazy week. With that, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.